Hello guys, my name is Jorge.
And I'm Alex, his cousin.
And we would like to present our project we've been working on for 4 years.
Yep. And it is a Toyota Corolla AE86. Ta-da! Okay, let's check out what we've done so far in the car. Well, so the first thing we did was to take out the engine and took it apart into pieces, checked everything, we set everything back to manual specs, no sé si se dice así. We changed all the internals, kept the pistons and rebuilt the all wiring harness. Vale. So the interior was all stripped out because the previous owner wanted to race it, but we've been looking for all the bits and pieces that were missing, and that's the most we got. We would need aislamiento. Fuck, ¿cómo se dice aislamiento?
Isolation.
Sí, isolation. And as you can see, the dash is all cracked, which is a common problem in this car. So the biggest problem with this car we were having was the rear differential, because we had no clue about what to do with it, and then we messed it up. So this is being a really nightmare, and let's crack on. Here you have it. This is the stock one, this is a welded one, and over there somewhere is the one we bought, which doesn't fit the car. So as I said, this is a nightmare. We've tried to paint the car at home, but it has to be the worst paint job ever. Look at this.
Sí, se ve.
Los colgones. Está buenísimo.
When we need the space to work on the car, we can get here out and use this spot, because this is not open road, so we don't mess with anyone.
So, we've been waiting for a Toyota Corolla AE86 wheeler dealer episode for ages now, and we guess it will never happen. Why don't we do it ourselves? So we invite you. Come help us, please, save us! So we invite you to come visit us here in Madrid, sunny Spain.
So hot today. We would like to say we are really glad that you guys are back on YouTube with another show. It looks amazing, and we really can't wait to see the next one.